In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Robinhood app. Robinhood is a commission-free investing app that allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and other investments directly from your phone. It's an excellent tool for both new and experienced investors. You'll also find watch lists, charts, recurring investments, and portfolio tracking within the app. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to download the Robinhood app. If you're on an Android device, open the Google Play Store and search for Robinhood Trading and Investing. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, head over to the App Store and do the same. Once you've installed the app, open it to get started. Now you'll either create a new account or sign into an existing one. Tap on Sign Up if you're new or log in if you already have an account. You'll need to complete identity verification, which is crucial for securing your account and meeting regulatory requirements. If prompted, link your bank account to enable deposits and withdrawals. If you're a new user, wait for your account approval. It might take a little time, but it ensures everything is set up correctly. After logging in, take a moment to explore the home screen. Here you'll see your portfolio value, daily gain or loss, and watch lists. You'll also find market news to keep you updated. The search bar is your gateway to exploring stocks and ETFs. Understanding your home screen layout is important because it provides a snapshot of your financial standing and market activity at a glance. Ready to search for an investment? Tap the search icon and enter a stock symbol such as AAPL for Apple or TSLA for Tesla. This will open the stocks page, where you can view a price chart, company information, and historical performance. This data is invaluable for making informed investment decisions. When you decide to buy a stock, open the stocks page and tap Trade, then Buy. You can enter either a dollar amount or the number of shares you wish to purchase. Review your order carefully. Once you're satisfied, tap Submit. This makes sure your transaction is processed. Selling a stock follows a similar process. Open the investment you own, tap Trade, then Sell. This is straightforward, but remember to review your decision before finalizing it. Selling is as crucial as buying, so always consider your strategy. Creating a watch list helps you monitor stocks you're interested in. Open a stock and tap Add to Watch List. Repeat this for other stocks you want to keep an eye on. This feature is fantastic for tracking potential investments without committing funds up front. To track your portfolio, tap the Home or Portfolio section. Here you can see your current holdings, profit or loss, and buying power. You'll also find recent transactions. It's essential to regularly review this information to stay on top of your investment performance. Let's not forget about some of Robinhood's helpful features. You can set price alerts to notify you of market changes. Technical indicators provide deeper insights into stock performance. Recurring investments allow for automatic purchases, and fractional shares let you invest in expensive stocks with smaller amounts. Robinhood Gold, an optional subscription, offers additional tools and resources for a fee. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the Robinhood app. Remember, investing is a journey, and tools like Robinhood make it accessible and manageable. Happy investing, and thank you for watching.